details are emerging from investigator testimony in the Michelle Troconis trial in Stamford, including some emphasis on smoke coming from Fotis Dulos' home on the afternoon Jennifer disappeared.
But first, the court had to address concerns over the possibility that Michelle Troconis had access to a sealed court document and was leaving it visible to the public. Now, her attorney says, to his knowledge, she does not have those documents. A lot going on in court there in Stamford. That is where we find NBC Connecticut's Kevin Geis joining us live. Kevin, you've been covering this trial from the very beginning for us. Bring us up to speed here. We understand there were other allegations made today as well.
Right, Mike, Keisha, besides the allegations regarding those sealed documents, there were also allegations that Michelle Troconis' own mother was mouthing something toward the jury at one point during the trial and trying to communicate with Michelle Troconis while she was at the defense table. But there was also counter allegations against the friends and family of Jennifer Dulos that have been here as well, that they have been gesturing towards some of the witnesses. The judge took all of these allegations head on before we even heard testimony today.
What the court is not going to countenance or competing pep rallies like you have in high school.
Judge Kevin Randolph tightening courtroom rules for the trial, including restricting Michelle Troconis' laptop usage and reinforcing a zero-tolerance policy for misconduct by anyone in the gallery. He determined if a contempt hearing is necessary regarding the sealed documents, the earliest it would take place would be after the defense rests. So testimony continued Friday.
At 12:22 on the 24th of May, we see a vehicle matching or consistent with the description of the Toyota Tacoma arriving, pulling into the property.
Lead investigator on the case, John Kimball, back in Stamford to reveal to the jury what they discovered in neighborhood surveillance video during early afternoon the day Jennifer disappeared. Video shows the vehicles Michelle Troconis says she used the 24th, making multiple trips back and forth between Fotis Dulos' Jefferson Crossing home and the 80 Mountain Spring Road property. Then a new detail. Home surveillance video of Fotis' home shows smoke rising from one chimney in the house in late May. The times where smoke is visible, Kimball points out, were consistent with the time some of those trips were made.
There's 3 separate smoke events separated by periods of non-smoke. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Whatever it is, whatever they are trying to claim from a couple of puffs of white smoke at various times on a very windy day, again, it's pure speculation.
Kimball's testimony setting up Troconis' third interview with investigators in August of 2019.
The way it looks now is you may be looking like you're more involved than you actually are. So we're trying to give you an opportunity to kind of explain what's going on and put things in perspective and context.
In the interview, Detective Kimball and Corey Clabby pressing Troconis about new evidence they obtained.
We know where it goes that night.
Again, prosecutors stopping the interview to indicate inconsistencies Troconis offered against prior interviews, including not seeing or interacting with Fotis the morning Jennifer disappeared and answering a phone call on Fotis' cell phone left in Farmington.
This is the first time she's mentioning it?
Yes.
We have just under an hour left to go on that third interview. We will pick back up with that interview on Tuesday. There's no court on Monday because of the holiday. We also reached out to the friends and family of Jennifer Dulos for a comment about some of those allegations, but we have not heard back yet. We're live in Stamford. Kevin Geis, NBC Connecticut News. Keisha, back to you.
Kevin, thank you. And remember, before the trial begins each day, you can always get up to speed on this case with our daily special, Inside the Trial of Michelle Troconis. Our Shannon Miller will have exclusive expert analysis that begins at 9 Tuesday morning.
And you can watch our live stream of the trial when court is in session on our streaming channel and the NBC Connecticut app. We go live as soon as testimony gets underway, which is usually around 10 a.m.